Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to update Windows 11 for major features. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from a laptop, I have the important 11 features is updated in Windows 11 for October 2022. So how to update my laptop or desktop for new versions and new details. What I have to do here, so my desktop, this is my desktop or laptop, just click here for the get latest features and security improvement with the newest Windows 11 updates will be there in your icon. Just click the icon, you will direct you to the Windows update. So you have that latest update will be there for the October 2022, that is Windows 11 version 20 H2 is available. So if you want to get this one, so what you have to do here, how to download and install in your laptop. So if you didn't get this option, just go to settings option in your laptop, just go to start menu and you will get option called settings. Once you go to settings option, there is a systems and you will get option called Microsoft 365, OneDrive and Windows Update attention needed. So here there will be a Windows update will be there, just hit the button, it will direct you to the Windows updates. So this is the Windows update I need to update in my laptop or desktop to get the major features of 11 important features which is Windows 11 has given. So what are the new important features are there? So just click here, see what is this updates. So once you click means it will direct you to the Microsoft website to show what are the major updates they are given for that. So you can create a folder for your application. So for example, you have a lot of application you want to create, particularly office folder, or if you want to create a settings, or if you want to create a music, so that particularly you can create a folder. So this is a major updates, as well as you can create your file explorer as a favorite one. For example, if you go to explore your files, so if you want to create something is a favorite one, so to view that there is no favorite is there, in this update you will get a favorite options. So this is also a major update, and show the family and personal emojis will be available while you click start plus and start button. You will get emojis option, so you can create a different kind of emojis, and your family emojis also you can create, and you can share your GIF or create emojis. They are given this updates. So you can close this option and you have your video maker within a minute. For example, you have the Windows video maker, but create a video maker using Clipchamp option to create a beautiful videos and access your things. As well as this video updates, this Windows is updated in a voice access for talk instant typing. For example, you just go to start menu and you just go to applications, you will get a different kind of application will be available. So if you want to get a speech application, for example, so if you want to create a speech related means, just go to settings option, go to accessibility, and you will get option called speech recognitions. So just go to accessibility and you will get a speech, so you can get a voice typing option. In this video, in this updates, there will be a speech updates also they have given for the Windows 11 updates, as well as you can create and use your live caption for your content, for your audio and video. So you can go to settings, accessibility, captions, you can update your things, as well as you have your swipe up taskbar shortcuts. For example, if you want to give your taskbar settings, just right click to start taskbar settings. You want to move this taskbar to left to right or center, you can do your taskbar behavior. So just click here to make your taskbar into left, you can give in a center. So similarly, you have your taskbar updates to get a shortcuts also will be available, and you can customize your start menu layout. For example, so my start menu is in a default one, I can move into different kind of options will be given for the customized start menu layout, as well as the improve PC performance, saving resources efficient mode, and find update control in your fingertips, and you can use your game within a single touch to create a game, and turn on do not disturb automatically to get into that to work, and you can make a free your things. These are the major 11 updates in Windows 11, so you can use this and update your things. So how to update this one? So just go to the same settings option and you will get option called Windows Updates, and you will have your download and install option. Once you select the download and install option, it will ask you software license terms and agreement. Just scroll down, and if you want you can need it to read, otherwise just click accept and install. Means your downloads will be start downloading your laptop. For example, my download is starting over here, so that I can able to freely download this updates and update in my laptop and have access. If you like these tips, please share with your friends. Update your laptop to get a latest version of Windows 11. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.